Let's make roasted pepper sauce today. Roast it nicely from all the sides. Now scrub it out the burnt skin nicely. Now just roughly chop into dice. I am using fresh green pepper for the sauce. Roast it nicely. Fresh pepper gives nice flavor to the sauce. Olive oil, half tablespoon of butter, chop garlic, chop onion, add 7-8 pieces of fresh black pepper and then add roasted red pepper. Mix it well, toss it well. Cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add half cup of water. Mix it well and let it cook for a few more minutes. Then turn off the heat and add around 50 ml of cream. I forgot to record. Then add pinch of salt as per taste. Blend it nicely till it becomes very smooth paste. Let's take out in a bowl. Now let's try this. Smooth, creamy and delicious. Must try this at home and let me know. Thank you.